connecting with you all on Wednesday, not Tuesday, for a Tuesday tip because I didn't get a chance to do it yesterday. But I will say this. A lot of the things that I talk about are both preventative and reactive strategies. So I recommend that you use them on the spot when you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed or you're dealing with a child breaking down. But I also recommend that you take these things and you embed them into your life as habits, because using them preventatively and embedding them as habits will reduce stress that's ongoing and chronic and reduce problems long term. But here's the secret for making that happen. When you are making these things habits, you are practicing them more frequently, so they are becoming habitual. They are becoming your fluent new language, and in doing so, they get a lot easier for you to perform. They can become more natural to you. So you have more motivation to use them, and they are recalled more quickly because you're using them more frequently. So bonus points for making a habit, because it just naturally, you get better at it. You are reading 5 pages a day, every day of your life, every morning. Eventually, at some point, you're gonna get better at reading, and it's gonna get easier for you to make time to read because you're really good at it. Here's tip number 2 when taking and making these things habits. When you make them habits and you pair them up with certain parts of your day, morning, lunch, afternoon, before bed, connect them to some routine that you already have in place. And when you do that, you again have more motivation to use the strategies, because it reduces the decision-making fatigue that we all already experience. We're making a million decisions a day, and you can reduce the decision-making that you would need around this new strategy or skill by pairing it with an already developed habit. And it saves you some of your decision-making capacity that you need to use every day. So make the strategies habits, use them preventatively and reactively, pair them with something you already do, and know that if you make them habits, you'll get better at them and be able to recall them and use them more frequently.